Hello, everyone, and welcome to a brand new edition of Website Building with Easy Website Builder. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss how you can play with stripes and tweak them to create sites which look distinctly different from somebody else's site which is using the same template. So the first thing that you can do with stripes is that you can manipulate the size of each stripe to your advantage. So let's say, for this example, we have this huge, wide header image, and somehow you don't like the image to be so wide, and you would like to make it a little narrow. So if you want to reduce the height of this image, what you can do is bring your mouse over to this corner, and you will see this mark appearing. I guess you can see that, the mark with an up and down arrow. So hold your mouse and push the line up. And you have a completely different narrow header. Similarly, if you were to tweak the header sideways and make it narrower, then how do you do that? So you bring your mouse again to one of the corners. Any of the corners will do. Similarly, let's say you wouldn't Similarly, let's say you wouldn't like to have such a wide header. So how do you go ahead and achieve that? What you can do is go ahead and bring a new stripe. Let's say that we bring a new stripe here, and we want to use this slide for an example. So we click here, and the slide appears. But we said we don't want to have such a wide header image. So since this is a new stripe that we've got in, first we want to make it narrow in terms of width. So let's do that. So here we are. We take it to the corner, and we see the left and the right arrows. So we push the arrow and make it as narrow as we want. Of course, we should try and retain the minimum width of the website, otherwise these sites will not be mobile friendly. All Easy Website Builder sites are 100% mobile friendly. So remember that each of these widths are all pre-calculated to handle all mobile devices. So let's say we tweak it and bring it up to here, and then we can also reduce the width and bring it up to this, a little more maybe. So if you want to reduce a little more, we have to remove another element, and then we can reduce it up to this, and all we have to do now is make this the header and remove this header. So we can just push this up arrow, which we've already discussed in a previous lesson, and we have a small narrow header, and we can now get rid of this header if you want. Otherwise we can push it down somewhere else. So that's how you can achieve a narrow header and tweak the stripes to achieve that. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel to keep yourself updated on new tips and tricks and new ways to building your website. Bye for now.